Who's outside? Alright, another day. Got an install going in today. Homeboy is lowering his Type R. Oh, over here? Why? Cause my mom's trying to be the main star of this video.
She's the boss here, right?
Yeah, you're right. She pays the bills. RSR springs for the Type R. If y'all remember, I did a video on these, but Elijah's about to get a little lower. You can see him on the floor. Keep dragging it. I got a solution for that. Take 2 bricks. Take 2 bricks. Chalk one there. Chalk another one right there. I put 2 bricks in front, so it should be Gucci. It's a thumbnail right here. Oh, we're one of those things to go? See it?
Thought that was nice time lapse.
I don't know if you guys remember my video, but take off this bolt and that bolt. This was an 18. I believe that's a 10 or a 12. Yo, bring a 12 just in case, Elijah. Go.
There's money?
Money.
We have to make sure we tighten, bro. Cause when I did the Subi, my dumbass didn't tighten it. And the day before I went to go sell the car, bro, that's just going clink, clink, clink.
And that shit just dropped. Did that beat? Drop. It really dropped too. RSR, which is stock. Boy, you about to get low.
They look kind of the same, but this one got more
what?
Like they're softer, so when the car sits on it, it's gonna drop.
Yo, you make me miss my R, bro.
So buy another one.
Yeah, niggas think I got money.
Nah.
Fuck that. Sounds a place. I just gotta get the holes to match up.
It should be illegal for it to be this easy to do.
I know, right?
It almost seems too good to be true. While he's doing that, a few days ago.
Tell him, Elijah. Yeah, tell him. Tell him, Elijah. It's your channel. Tell them niggas. It's your channel.
Nah, it's your channel.
Nah, it's your channel.
But I'm thinking about going louder. But it's treating me good so far.
It's trying to be a fast boy.
Treating me good so far. Yo.
That's my boy. I told him to pull up.
Yo.
He's static as fuck.
Damn, son. When we outside, we're gonna have to get the gang here. So. Civic gang. This dude is static as fuck. Damn.
So when you putting these back in, you're gonna need a jack, second jack, to basically jack that part up and then bolt in the spring. My camera died, but like we literally just did that in what, like 5 minutes?
Yeah.
That's why
messing around too.
For real, we're not even being serious right now. We over here having combos and shit, but we gotta do the other side. My camera's charging, so I don't know if I'm gonna record it, but it's simple, it's easy. As long as you got 2 jacks, should be Gucci. Said quick, easy. We probably did this in like less than 30. We weren't just talking, and when Fod pulled up, we would have been had this done. But literally, it's just those 2 bolts. It drops. Put the spring in, and you're Gucci. So the hard part is now the front part. So we're gonna put the wheels on and see how it looks a little bit. Oh, and there go Dylan.
There she is.
And then look who just pulled up again. You know me, bro. It's like once I seen under this car, it's like muscle memory.
No bullshit, but like all these cars are similar, bro.
Yeah.
The Subi has the same control arms on the bottom.
I'm just glad that
bro,
it's like that, because older cars is not like that.
No.
2 bolts.
The Subi was the same thing with the strut, the sway bar link, and then another bolt.
Like even that, the fucking Supra's like that too. 2 bolts drops.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's like that on yours too, no?
Yep.
They finally just make shit easier like that. I know it's not like that. My brother's whip.
I got more shit.
Where'd you park? On the street. Where?
Bro, you only had this for like a week?
2 weeks.
All your parts came in that fast?
This is what we need you for.
Next day shipping.
Bro, yeah. I'm broke.
Yeah, alright. That's what we need you for.
That's just cleaning.
The fucking front.
You got one? You got an electric one? I got an
Yeah, it's bald, my boy.
I know, I said that.
Oh, my boy.
Camberware. Not even.
You can probably flip those.
Right on the stocks.
For what?
Cause they look, bro. The car looks way lower on stock.
Yeah, but they're mad big, bro. I don't hate them. I hate that shit, bro. So, what we gotta do here is I'm gonna take this strut out, take this coil out, and replace it.
Yo, pop your hood.
I'm gonna replace it with this. This bitch is hot still.
Time for Elijah to do the dirty work and me sit back and watch.
This boy. He thought he was slick.
Yeah.
Big master tech.
I know, he finna have a shop soon. This boy moving a little too quick, goddamn. Get this boy a shop already. Yo, he'll lower your car in an hour, I promise. No, chill. Oh, that shit dropped. Already?
That's just a goner.
That shit dropped already?
Yeah. Dropped like yesterday.
It's Dylan.
Yo. Nah, you're touching that. I ain't touching it. He's touching it.
Alright, give me my gloves anyway.
I don't know what we doing, bro.
So, that's the best part.
Nah,
It's like fucking,
purpose of me.
it's like watching a circus.
This is all the shit you edit out.
Nah, this all the shit I keep in.
You know, good shit in. Yeah, huh? You don't need a car, bro.
Damn type R's. Oh shit.
That's crazy.
It just dropped?
Crazy.
Did it just drop?
That is
Did it just drop?
That's the master tech.
Crazy.
Yo.
That's crazy. This thing's like,
Bro, yo, I literally pointed at the camera and seen that shit drop.
Yeah. You didn't need to do
Alright, but
now we
so
got
how far can you step on that? Because then we could put the strut up, and then if anything, it just comes out.
That boy long as shit.
You seen the video?
Huh?
You going anywhere today?
I don't know. I've just been working on cars since the morning.
I don't think you have to
This man thinks I'm his armrest or something, bro. There you go.
It's going down?
Yeah. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Oh.
Look at Elijah. Yeah, dude. Where your mom, man?
I know he was just mad nervous. I know he was nervous, bro.
Because my last car, like, you couldn't even do none of that shit, bro.
Yeah.
Like, as soon as you drop the spindle, you have to have someone hold it, bro. Because if it goes to the left, nigga, the axle's gonna shoot out.
Yeah, the axle's gonna clap.
I'm like, hey,
Go ahead,
yo.
grab it. No.
Whoa.
Hey, yo,
Whoa.
Yo, when you edit this, bro,
Yeah.
put us loosening this, and then me holding the strut.
Like them YouTubers? Yeah.
It's gonna go from you pulling the strut out to this shit.
And then me holding the strut.
You said a soul sign?
Nah, be like, yo, I'm about to show you how to do the struts. Fucking, yo, and, bro, honestly.
Yo, they about to comment like, be like, bro, you didn't even show how to do the fucking shit, bro.
Be like, JK, it was just a loaner vehicle.
Nah, yo, so, take the strut, right?
Yeah.
Like, we loosen one bolt, and then the next scene is just fucking just.
This shit's out. I bet. Sir!
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. Look.
Yo, sir!
Put the
Yo.
thing on it, bro.
Yo, you trying to kill us?
Hold on. I'm just trying to find the size of the boat. Hold on.
Yo, my windshield's right
Don't
there.
let him find the size of the boat.
Bitch. Stop playing with my life.
Nah, come on.
You need
stop
a water
putting-
cup?
Alright, hold on.
Yo, don't be playing with people's lives like this.
It's wildin', bro. All right. Get away from the car.
Yo, somebody step on this.
Yo, if I die. Yo.
He's Asian, bro. He always knows what he's doing.
Nah.
Asian, you always
You know what? You know what it is, bro? It's literally the old whips.
Did that shoot out like that, right?
Yeah, it's the
I
old ones
I
that
seen
shoot
too
out.
many damn TikToks.
Camera damn near died, but
I don't know why niggas was
Springs is on.
This is a 4-hour job, bro.
Yo, you know how much they charge at Honda?
for this,
Bro,
just to lower it or
No,
do
no.
struts?
just to take the strut out
Yeah.
from the factory
Uh-huh.
is an hour and a half.
And if you get it done in less than that, that's you making money,
That's
right?
you making bread, but I'm saying like Honda says it takes an hour and a half to take this front strut
yeah,
out.
right. But
Only one side?
Only one side.
Damn.
Just one strut.
everybody I talked to was saying it's a 4-hour job to do this.
And what hour are we in?
Probably hour 2 or hour and a half.
I mean, we have been talking.
Y'all did
Yeah.
the rear too. That's what I'm saying. Y'all did the
But
rear.
we've been fucking
and
around.
the front in like what?
An hour and a half, pretty much.
Honda says that's an hour and a half by itself, not counting the rear.
I'm looking for
And
that.
we're not even master
That's
techs.
3 hours between the front. Honda says.
Yeah, they be fucking taxing.
We did this shit fucking around too. Man. We done sat here like this and ran out of solutions for a second. Nigga.
Yeah,
That's
bro.
time.
No
That's
bullshit.
time. We sat there like this, bro.
You pull it full weight, I gotta push it back.
Look at yourself. Imagine that wide body in my Civic.
No.
Like it's not already
It's not
getting
already
there
a
wide
fucking
body.
Alright, grab it.
Bingo. This type wide body be sitting lower.
You did the
Barely.
the jigger already?
Barely, nigga.
It's better than stock. Oh, raw.
Nah, keep
Raw
that,
uncut.
Yo, I'm being dead ass, bro. When you edit this shit, bro, make the motherfuckers go, yo. They forced
He gonna get all the fucking credit.
Remember, they.
Cool.
This motherfucker.
Yeah.
If you cut it the way he's telling you to.
Yeah, he go get.
No, I don't want.
If you cut it the way he's telling you to, this motherfucker might not even end up in the video.
Nah,
like,
nah.
how you gonna tell us how to do
You know me, I like to show off everybody.
Nah,
Fuck
your
that.
comments about to go crazy. You're gonna be like, how you gonna tell us how to do it? And then cut straight to the.
Yeah, they gonna be like, bro, just like, bro. Just like, bro.
Shit that video did with the blue tape part.
They're like, bro, what you mean, bro?
That
You
nigga-
just said that you was gonna show
That
us.
nigga literally took the bolt out of the sway bar link
That's it,
and then
bro.
cut the whole
Yeah.
and then ended up
Yeah.
with the strut in the car.
We didn't even need.
Oh!
We didn't even need fucking spring compressors, bro.
Nah, that's crazy.
I only grabbed it anyways to help me kill time. 'Cause this
Nah,
motherfucker
and I
fell
mean,
asleep,
it's
bro.
smart. It's smart to grab it.
I gave you
I
way
told-
too much
I
time.
told you I was tired, bro. What you want me to do, bro? I'm always up and about.
Me too.
I know. Or not. Okay.
Oh, I mean, it's filled.
Is it even threading
Nah,
in?
it's not even started in. All this. Come on. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Guys, don't be like us. Use a spring compressor for safety purposes.
Honda.
Yo, we look like rush hour,
Go to
like
Honda.
for like Fast and Furious.
Go to Honda. What you mean?
Rush hour, Fast and Furious. Yo, let's throw this bitch in. Well, they throw this bitch in. I ain't touched this shit. Not
yeah,
once.
stand up.
You told me to send it, my guy.
Nah, turn it to you.
Go ahead, bro. I don't even give a fuck. Just like that. The goats. Then got this car lowered.
Oh, the flanges.
I'm about to see how low it get. They still gotta settle though. That's the only bad part. But springs is on. Car's sitting a lot better. You just gotta wait for it to settle in. But you're basically gonna drive this around the block, make sure everything's good. Shout out to these guys. You gonna rub? I don't think you are. You might rub coming out.
Hold up.
Nah, come on. Yup, there we.
Ow. Nah,
Keep going,
cut
keep
it.
going.
Nah, turn it straight. Turn it straight.
Take that picture.
Nah, hurry up. Bro, hurry up.
Nah, use a thumbnail. Use a thumbnail.
Yo, this shit sound nasty. I ain't gonna hold you. Oh, maybe miss the type R. Sheesh. Time to go get some fucking grub.
Traded this in.
Hold on. Car's dirty. But you need gas. How's it ride, my boy? How's it ride? What's the matter? What's the matter? You not about to get gas?
Okay, look how far.
Pull in. Keep going, keep going. Alright, alright.
It's really more if
Let
you.
me know what y'all think. What y'all think about the Fitment? Sheesh. It's the closest gas station. I didn't want him to run out of gas before he went somewhere else, so. Yo, you look pretty good riding, bro. I ain't gonna hold
Yeah, facts over here chirping and shit.
you. You better get some pizza. I'm about to get my dinner.
Too. How much cash you got?
I gotta know. Been working all day. He better eat good.
You want 3 of the chicken bacon, right? Buffalo, right?
I want the 3 slices. Thank you.
He's hungry. I'm taking care of my kids today.
Yeah.
That's that farm.
Good eats only. You want this? Yeah. This one?
Yeah.
Wait, they got buffalo chicken there?
Yeah.
Parmesan. They better be on the toilet.
Right here.
And that shit look good. You got nice cars.
Look
Yo.
at the rear. I think the rear rubs or the jack is just moving around. I can't tell the difference.
Yeah. Sheesh. Yo,
It's good if it settles.
make sure you drive safe. Hit me when you get home. I gotta take him with me.